Sure, guys. Guys, Bafana I qualified for the World Cup. For the first time since 2002, we have qualified for the World Cup. We are going to US, Mexico, or Canada. It was tough. After FIFA reached the point, I like hope life we can still qualify. And yeah, people are happy. It's been long overdue of it. Like South Africa haven't played the World Cup since 2010. Oof. Yabona uthintshiwa the cricket players tse le goreng ke kgale di le out mo squading, like player tsa go tshwana le bo Themba Zwane le bone ko stadium a celebrate le majita da. So it was very good to see Bafana ba qualify. Obviously na di ke nyaka gona TLB ra loka against the best in the world kwa le bo Mbappe kwale amakile the best into e nyaka e bonang nna. So bafethu guys, like we needed favors. We needed favor from Nigeria or Everton Benin. They came through bafethu. They came through in an emphatic way bafethu. They thumped Benin 4-0 bafethu, and this side Pirates alone or aka Bafana aka or the boys were ready. The boys were ready. Our level as soon as police was sensational today bafethu. When he had drifted a combination play le Sipembula, they were very good bafethu. So congratulations to Bafana for qualifying for the World Cup. Guys, amazing stuff from Bafana. Like, this is what we needed. Qualifying. So go back to the league. And then I hope like or the coach especially coach if like Sipho Mbule more time, more playing time. We need him playing more regular football. And the more like since ba moshile ka thoma ra loka ke Mthobi Mvala has to start playing, because pairing ya ile Mbogazi go World Cup is going to be very crucial for him. Omo sanja thoma ra loka ke Basadi. Like those people, they need to start playing. Even if we qualified with it, now I still maintain our Lodge must be called. Like on that left wing, like I don't know guys. Nkota like since I go Saudi Arabia like he lost his spark. I don't know like I feel like since I don't know, like he lacked that thing. But I hope Solomon Yan is still going to improve his game. He's going to do better. But Lodge must be called to Bafana fit. We need Lodge for the World Cup and for AFCON. He must work hard. Like he must perform to such an extent that the coach cannot overlook him. Thank God. Congratulations to the boys.